Okay, here's what happened. Well, we're playing Pokemon Black. Well, and it just froze like this. Nothing was moving, and took out the game. As you can see, there's no game in there at all. And you can hear that the music's still playing right as we speak right now. And look at power button. Holding on to it. Doesn't turn off. Close it. Nothing happens. You can still hear the music. And see, Kingler and Golurk, but nothing. Just music. Try the power button, and here's the black version. We took it out. We took out the black version, and we're putting onto this DS. As you can see, it's working now. As of this one, there's no game at all. Music's still going perfectly. Everything seems to be going, but you can't move. And as you see, this black version which we took out of the game is working on the other DS. See? No game. See? Black version. And that's how you know DSIs could glitch out really badly like this, even if you try turning it off so many times.
And if you know what happened, comment on the stuff below.
Yeah, you know how to fix this. And I think we just let the battery die, so yeah.
If it doesn't work, then oh shit.
Comment. Bye.